Tyler, I will advise you to purchase Nvidia with caution. You'll have to wade into the water if you don't own it. The market's hottest spot is here. This stock will perform well as long as the competition for AI persists. Over the next 5 years, they still expect Nvidia's earnings to expand by 40%. The stock has done admirably, rising from 48 times 2024 earnings to 34 times next year. Even with a $3 trillion market valuation, this company could rise because to the AI stimulus propelling those earnings, even if it's a cyclical sector. Dollar cost averaging is the most effective method for establishing a position here. I would want a position if you desire exposure to this market, but it must fit with your investment philosophy and discipline. Verify if the risk is suitable for your portfolio. Remember that the first 50 customers receive 50% off on anything in our store for a short period of time. This offer won't be around for long, so don't pass it up. Hurry immediately to save a ton of money. Be among the first 50, so act quickly. Use the link below to shop right now. SEMA, it would be impossible to describe this week's market without mentioning the chips. Of course, Scott, in a relatively short period of time, sentiment has changed dramatically. Stocks of Nvidia and other chip companies fell 2 weeks ago after a story surfaced regarding a delay for the company's Blackwell GPU. The demand for Nvidia's existing graphics processing unit, the Hopper H100, is still very high, so it only took a few days for Wall Street analysts to realize that a 3-month delay would not significantly affect profitability. As we get closer to Nvidia's earnings on the 28th, no other company can threaten their market domination, even with AMD posing a slight threat. This week alone has seen a 177% increase in Nvidia shares, the largest week since May of last year. This has helped the ETFs that follow these stocks as well as the larger semiconductor industry. However, AI is not the end of the tale. Additionally, Nvidia has a strategic presence in other quickly expanding industries including cloud computing, driverless cars, and gaming. Their cutting-edge developments in data processing units and AI chips are increasing their clout in these industries and creating new sources of income. Ives notes that the foundation of his optimistic outlook on Nvidia's stock is the company's diverse development plan. The company is thriving in several high-growth markets, which distinguishes it from rivals. It is not just about being the best at one thing. As the business builds on its leadership in artificial intelligence and other cutting-edge technologies, investor sentiment toward Nvidia is still remarkably optimistic. The stock's price is rising as more and more investors flock to it. Nvidia's remarkable financial performance and strategic posture, along with the high level of investor interest, Ives thinks, create a perfect storm that will cause the stock to rise to $400 a share in the upcoming months. Since everything is in place for Nvidia to keep growing, this price objective is not only possible but also likely to happen. Welcome back to Fast Money *. All right. This week was the best since March 2023 for the semiconductor industry, which is booming. Random statistics for $400. Since Monday, the SEVAT ETF has increased by over 10%, with all fund members seeing gains. Taking the lead in the gains, Nvidia has increased by almost 19%. Even though Intel only made a 5% profit, its stockholders are likely just relieved that the company is now profitable. What do you think of this huge comeback and Nvidia's 18% increase, Tim? It's stunning indeed, but Brian, that's a whole other story with Intel. In my opinion, semiconductors are up roughly 23% if we take the intraday low from August 5th, Black Monday in Japan. Additionally, I would revisit their July 11th top, which occurred just before the release of the CPI data and served as a wake-up call for the broad market rotation. Additionally, it served as a reminder that these assessments were reasonable. In this context, Nvidia in particular has continuously delivered strong performance. Is it their intention to maintain that level of leadership? Recall that the QQQ outpaced the SPY, and as long as semiconductors were outperforming it, that was a bullish formula that said markets were going to rise. The jury is still out as of right now. The relative underperformance at AMD has been significant, as I've attempted to point out a few times. Investors are doubting if AMD's product line is prepared to compete with Nvidia's, at the very least. Over the past 6 months, AMD has lagged the SEMA ETF by roughly 35%, and despite this recovery, it has remained quite stable in relation to the sector. What do you think about the semiconductor rally, Mike? It was an amazing comeback today. Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Investors are leaving Shiba Inu because to the massive controversy. Shib News, Shiba Inu, the second most popular meme coin on the market, was created to compete with Dogecoin. It just overtook Tron blockchain, also known as TRX, in terms of market valuation, displacing it. Shib has been a powerful force since March. It might be able to overthrow Doge and establish its worth if it keeps on its current pace, especially in light of the upcoming launch of Shibarium. Given their current position in the market, meme currencies are worth taking into consideration as a potential alt season approaches. Dogecoin continues to experience quick losses following quick rises in spite of Elon Musk's tenacious efforts. We'll discuss the huge Shiba Inu scandal that caused investors to abandon the breed in this video. Shib News. To view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inu, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get the video started right now. Crypto whales transferred 3.48 trillion Shib coins in a single transaction, according to data that Whale Alert obtained. Shib totaling $4.2 million was transferred between two unidentified wallets. Notably, this transaction was documented prior to Binance's decision to remove SHIB from the innovation zone. In a recent announcement, Binance stated that it would be removing Shiba Inu and other tokens from the innovation zone as of April 18, 2023. This migration will include Frax Share, FXS, Trust Wallet Token, TWT, and one ANCH. The innovation zone was created to make cryptocurrency exchanges safer. It was included, but these tokens demonstrated that their projects met strict requirements. By offering these tokens in the innovation zone, Binance enables users to trade fresh and creative ideas. By restricting and alerting users to the possible hazards of investing in new tokens, it allows the cryptocurrency exchange to strike a balance between its responsibilities to promoting financial independence and user safety. Shiv Army anticipates a fair price increase following this significant revelation. To make up for the previous loss, SHIB's price increased by 2% in the last hour. As of this writing, SHIB is trading at an average price of 0.000011. At $327.5 million, its 24-hour trading volume has increased by 3%. Despite a significant increase in trading volume, development activity, and community involvement with the launching of the Shibarium beta puppynet last month, the data indicates that the Shiba Inu burn rate has decreased by 86%. The quantity of wallets containing SHIB and projects working with Shibarium is growing. Co-founder of the well-known Shiba Inu meme currency, Satoshi Kusama, voiced worries in a recent update over the weekend regarding rumors of an official token for the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. Although Bitcoin's recent surge has caused a good shift in sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, rumors and scammers that engage in these everyday activities for their own personal benefit and assaults are found to be pushing various altcoin narratives and unverified stories. In the meme crypto arena, the SHIB ecosystem is still developing and innovating, though. However, the issue still stands. Does the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain now have an official token? This is what Satoshi Kusama said. He stated in a disclaimer post on his Twitter account on April 16, 2023, that the Shibarium L2 blockchain does not have an official coin. Since he is not involved in such acts or project launches, the SHIB co-founder also cautioned cryptocurrency buyers who purchase meme coins to steer clear of businesses that use his name to introduce meme tokens into the markets for token sales. Despite the fact that many meme token projects use the names of well-known cryptocurrency individuals as an emotive and FOMO tactic to entice investors to buy tokens, Satoshi Kusama is aware of the hazards involved and has offered his advice. Conduct your research and avoid falling for scams. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is an emotional aspect of trading that can influence traders and investors to base their judgments on trends when investing in digital assets, so compromising appropriate research and due diligence. The developers behind the well-known meme coin Shiba Inu just announced additional information regarding its eagerly awaited metaverse. The project has been underway for some time and is expected to offer users a distinctive social and design experience. According to SHIB's release, users will have access to a variety of interactive activities and arrangements in